Protests erupt in Kokrajhar. BTC Secretariat vandalized over tribalisation issue. Tensions are running high in Kokrajhar, Assam after students vandalized the Bodoland Territorial Council BTC Secretariat in protest against the Assam government's decision to grant scheduled tribe SP status to 6 ethnic groups: Thai, Ahom, Chutia, Moran, Matak, Kokrajhar and T-tribe communities. The protesters, largely comprising students and youth groups, accused the government of undermining the rights and interests of existing tribal communities, including the Bodos. They fear that the inclusion of these groups will dilute their constitutional safeguards, reduce their representation, and affect their educational and employment opportunities. The situation escalated when protesters broke through the Secretariat gate, stormed the premises, and damaged property. Security forces were deployed to restore order, but the protest is expected to intensify. Bodo political leaders are also expressing outrage, feeling that their concerns have been ignored. The All Bodo Students Union, ABSU, and other tribal organizations have vowed to continue their agitation until the government reverses its decision.